Living in Madison Heights, Michigan, means experiencing a variety of weather conditions throughout the year. From cold winters with heavy snow to humid summers with thunderstorms, these seasonal shifts can take a toll on your home's roof. Your roof plays a crucial role in protecting your home, and understanding how weather affects it can help you prevent costly repairs. Here's a look at how different weather patterns in Madison Heights impact your roof, and what steps you can take to maintain its integrity. Winter. Snow and ice damage. Madison Heights experiences harsh winters with freezing temperatures, snowstorms, and ice buildup. These conditions can have a significant impact on your roof. Snow, especially when it accumulates in thick layers, can add weight to your roof. This puts stress on the structure, potentially causing sagging or even collapse if the weight becomes too much. Additionally, when snow melts and refreezes, ice dams can form along the eaves. Ice dams trap water, preventing it from draining off the roof and leading to leaks inside the home. These leaks often go unnoticed until significant damage has already occurred. What you can do to prevent ice dams: ensure your attic is well insulated and ventilated. Proper insulation prevents warm air from escaping into the attic, which helps keep the roof temperature consistent. This makes it less likely for snow to melt and refreeze into ice dams. Regularly removing heavy snow from the roof, especially near the edges, can also reduce the risk. If you're unsure, hiring a professional to inspect and maintain your roof during the winter months is a smart precaution. Spring. Rain and heavy winds. Spring in Madison Heights often brings heavy rain showers and storms, as well as strong winds. Persistent rain can lead to roof leaks, especially if there are already existing vulnerabilities in your roofing materials. In addition, high winds can tear off shingles or even blow debris onto your roof, causing potential damage or blocking gutters and downspouts, which can lead to water backup. What you can do: inspect your roof before the spring season begins. Look for any loose or damaged shingles, as these can be lifted by wind and cause leaks. Ensure that your gutters are clear of leaves and debris so rainwater can flow freely. If you notice any issues with flashing around chimneys, vents, or skylights, have them repaired to prevent water from seeping into your home. It's also a good idea to check that your attic is free of leaks and that the insulation is intact. Summer. Heat and humidity. Summers in Madison Heights can get hot and humid, with temperatures sometimes reaching the 80s or 90s. The constant exposure to intense sun can cause roofing materials to age prematurely. Asphalt shingles, for example, can dry out, crack, and lose their protective granules under prolonged UV exposure. This reduces their effectiveness in shielding your home from the elements. Additionally, the high humidity in summer can cause mold and mildew to form in poorly ventilated areas of the roof, leading to rotting and deterioration. What you can do: regularly inspect your roof for signs of wear and tear, such as curling shingles or missing granules. Check that your attic is properly ventilated to prevent the buildup of moisture, which can lead to mold growth. Consider applying a roof coating that offers UV protection to extend the lifespan of your roofing materials. Fall. Leaves and debris. While fall brings cooler temperatures to Madison Heights, It also introduces an abundance of falling leaves and debris. When leaves pile up on your roof or clog gutters, they can trap moisture against the surface, leading to water damage. This can weaken shingles and cause premature deterioration of your roof. Clogged gutters can also cause water to back up, leading to leaks or mold growth in the attic. What you can do. Fall is the perfect time to clean your gutters and remove any leaves or debris from your roof. Make sure downspouts are clear and direct water away from your home's foundation. Trimming back overhanging branches can also help minimize the risk of damage caused by falling limbs. Conclusion. Madison Heights weather patterns, from heavy snow in the winter to humid summers and rainy spring storms, can all impact the integrity of your roof. Regular inspections and maintenance are key to preventing damage and extending the lifespan of your roof. By staying proactive and addressing issues before they escalate, you can ensure that your roof continues to protect your home no matter what the weather brings. If you're unsure about the condition of your roof, it's always best to consult with a local roofing professional who can provide expert advice and repairs tailored to the specific weather challenges in Madison Heights.